Hello everyone, this is our project called Intelligent Solar Optimization with Weather Prediction and Rain Prediction. In our modern days, electricity is very important for in our lifestyle. Charging all appliances, e-vehicle, all the technologies revolutions are increasing day by day, depend on the electricity. So that electricity is produced in various ways. Uh, we consider the renewable electricity source is the best way to for the cost effective and lifetime productions. Okay, we are generally solar panels are fixed in a particular place. Okay, so that only 40% of solar panels efficiency is consumed from that fixed position solar panels. So that we designed a system to acquire the 90% efficiency from the solar panels. So that we designed a design working method is when the sun rises, our system automatically turn on and the servo position follow the sun directions and follow the sun movement. Based on the sun movement, it automatically adjusts their position. After a certain degree, in the evening time, sun sets automatically. After the sunset, it will automatically reset the default position, which is next day morning, sunrise in the next day morning. Okay. Additionally, we have included weather detection and rain detection. Okay. Rain detection system. When the rain is detected, it will automatically turn on the servo and until the rain will stop. After that rain will stop, it automatically turn on the servo system and it will loop the function automatically. Weather detection, which other climate in the outside of the house, display in the display. Okay, LCD screen. We can see in the LCD screen in our house. Base in this project, our major plus point in this project is we can assemble the system for huge factories like e-vehicle charging stations. We don't need any other electrical sources. We need this type of system and connect the multiple servo sensors, servo motors according based on one sensor data. Okay. Based on this one sensor data, we can control the all automatically adjust their position. All servos automatically adjust their positions. Okay. This is a major plus point of this project. We don't need any multiple sensors, multiple data. No. Simply this system, but connected with slave devices, it will automatically adjust their positions. One adjust their position, automatically all of them adjust their position based on their slave device. Okay. Thank you.